2, 1, start juggling. Give them already a round of applause. It's not easy just basically juggling 8 laps plus midnight, so we have a lot of teams dropping out very quickly. We've got a UK team over here, we've got a UK team, a German team, an Austrian team, another German team over there. Okay, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 teams left. Give them a round of applause already. 3 teams left. 3 teams left. Okay, guys. This must be easy for you guys. Oh, 2 teams left. Alright, let's do a little bit. Signals, please. Go to signals. We got 3 signals already. 3 signals already. Big up. Big applause for 1.5 man. Alright, guys. Here we go. Alright, give it up for Jalisco, give it up for Tanya, and